Another business card sized kit, model aeroplane. I think that's Micro 5 or something. It'll be in the video description anyway. Only 4 pieces, so that shouldn't take long to put together. Hi guys, I think this will be the last one in the series for a while. Another one of these business card sized kits or models. I'm pretty sure this was labelled AL5, but that's not what's just there. Anyway, it's only got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So we'll put it together. Right, let's see if they fit together. A little bit of persuasion. You could either say that's nice and tight or too tight. We'll say nice and tight. There we go. Yeah, I would say that's nice and tight. Yeah, lovely little aeroplane. Very basic, very simple. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.